In this video, we will talk about various features and user instructions of this new scientifically designed mask called COVID Survival Mask. Powered by Devil's Workshop. This modular mask is made up of a shell that attaches to your face and a muzzle that houses the main filter cartridge. This is the main filter cartridge fixed atop the muzzle. In the filter cartridge there are 5 alternating layers of 2 types. 1. Cotton layer to disperse the incoming droplets for faster evaporation, and 2. Hydrophobic, non-woven, fabric layer to block any incoming droplet molecule. There are 2 additional filter cartridges attached to the shell, one on each side, built with air channel for easier breathing. You can also quick release the main filter cartridge, like this, for easy access to mouth, while wearing this mask, without completely undoing it. This is how the inner side of the mask looks like. There's ample protection and breathing room both, as it is not directly on the surface of the face, but a little distance away from it, with filtered air coming in from all 3 sides. Any moisture accumulated within will dribble down the slanted side walls and find its way out through a small gap left just in front of the throat of the person when worn. The high-quality straps are secured to the shell with a barrel knot that won't come undone. And each strap is freely adjustable with a spring-loaded lock. There's also a stopper to prevent the lock from ever falling out of the strap. This mask is made of biodegradable plastic. It can be cleaned by placing it inside water with added drops of any good disinfectant from the market. Filters can be removed and changed. Now we'll demonstrate how to put on this mask. There are 2 straps that go around your head to fix the mask in front of your face. So prolonged use will cause no pain behind the ears. The straps are long enough so that you can hang the mask around your neck while not in use, and won't have to look for a clean place to put it every time. First you take the mask and place it on top of your nose like this. If you wear spectacles, you may adjust it as suits you at this time. Then you take the upper strap, take it above your ears towards the back of your head, and tighten it, according to your own comfort. Don't make it too tight. Just enough to fix the mask. Then you tighten the lower strap, but keep it more loose than the upper one. If you want, you may tuck the hanging portions of the straps inside your clothing. You can swap out the auxiliary filter cartridges like this, which will lower the total weight of the mask but will also reduce breathability a little bit. Wear it as it suits you best. Now we will show you the weight of this mask in real time. Please feel free to give any feedback and ask any questions. If you like this project, please consider following Devil's Workshop in Facebook and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.